Yo, what is up, everyone? It is lillyko back with another stream, and today, I am actually attempting to make my own Roblox game. But my idea is kind of a tad different from your usual. I mean, I don't know, maybe. This is like a template ass fucking map. You know what I'm saying? But see, now he's meant to have a name, but um actually, I'm gonna have to open this on the fucking Roblox. And I have no idea, I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea how the Luna or Lua code works, to be honest with you. So I've been using the homie Chat GPT for it. I feel like there's no shame in that for the code. But that but it's alright. I'm not gonna lie. I haven't really gotten ChatGPT to help me with much. The only thing Chat has helped me with was this title screen, and I had to watch a YouTube tutorial to get this to work. Now, this is the actual sort of RP that I'm trying to set up here. I'm making the limit 50 players per like, I guess, session. I don't know how many sessions run. I guess if it surpasses 50, it'll either tell people there's too many or it'll make a new server. Potentially, I don't know. But I wanted to add it to where, like, um similar to, like, oh, what is it, like them clicker games where you can fucking, where, like, you can collect stuff, like you could collect like animals or something, like some sort of thing, and then some of them are rarer than others, and you can do like RuneScape
The homie
scams.
Botrix says Botrix has correctly joined the channel.
Yo, what is up, the homie Botrix? The goat, the homie, the bot, the homie, the bot, the homie, the bot, the homie, the bot. But yeah, you can do like RuneScape scams where you can like trade and be like, yo, I'm gonna give you this for this, and then you swap it last second and hit yes. I really, to be honest, I wouldn't care. You know what? That just reminds me. I want to see if I can add some sort of rank system, like rank that, like, on my name. Is that how that works? I don't think that's how that works. That's literally a picture, bro. I'm just playing. I need to put it like shit. I'm gonna try it. This one. Stop the gap. Or it's capping. Oh yeah. Now, will this give it to me or everyone? You know what I'm saying? Holy shit, that scared the fuck out of me. Halo Bu 143, hell yeah, you are the GOAT. Can I change the actual text that says owner? I might be able to. Owner. Yep. Is that, accurate to say? And then we just. Oh. I think I've just been fucking the code. Let's just test it. Let's see if it works. It's probably not even gonna appear. Yeah, I fucked it.
To homie the driving Emperyon says, hey man, I'm in a rush, can't double you.
Oh yeah, thank you, man. I appreciate that. What's going on? How do I make this guy? How do I make his name? How do I make his name visible? No name though.
So in today's video, we're going to be going over how to create a overhead label for your character. So the first thing I'm going to do is insert a part, and what we're going to do is we're going to insert a billboard GUI into this part. A billboard GUI basically displays a UI element in your game physically, but there's a ton of properties of this that are quite confusing to understand, so we're going to go over them. A regular GUI, like if you put a text label in a frame, if you set it to 1 and 1, the text label will fill up the frame.
Can I actually do that? I'm not sure I did it right. I didn't watch the video to be honest. Okay, let me see. How do I change the? Yeah, you can't see, bro. Can't see, folk. Where's the name? Shit. I'm gonna watch this video.
whatever size the frame is. So that's kind of the same thing that's working here. So any part. So you can really wonky.
Whoa.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna insert a billboard GUI into this part.
That's what I did wrong. That's what I did wrong. Oh. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. How do I move it? Where's the... Where's the... Yes. Shit. It went down when I put 10, but went... okay. Oh my god. Let me just hit him with one of these. Oh, how do I do it? Okay. I can't even, like, select anything, bro. So what? Why does it just, like, completely disappear after 50? Now it's just gone. You know what? Oh, wait. What if I move that motherfucker? What if I... Oh my lord. Where the fuck? How do I fucking move it? Bro. Where's the Z coordinate, bro? Okay. I can move it up and down and left and right. But I can't... Whoa. What happens if I do this? it working or is it just disappearing? It was never the text. It was the billboard GUI. What? What? Let's go. Where? So what happens if I get rid of this? Take this. Oh wait, was I looking at the same thing or what? Yeah, what is this? What the fuck are you doing, bro? Why wouldn't it let me change this? This is so stupid. Here, let's let the wizard talk.
A Roblox UI basically displays a UI element in your game physically, but there's a ton of properties of this that are quite confusing to understand, so we're going to go over them.
Yes, sir.
So we're also going to insert a text label. As you can see, it has this it looks really wonky. As you back up, it appears as though it's getting bigger. So to fix this, first we're going to click on Billboard GUI and we're going to put always on top. And
Fucking dude, you're the goat. You are just goated. I don't even have to do it at that point. Like, oh, dude, let's go. I mean, hell yeah. I probably shouldn't be showing my place ID. Yeah, I probably shouldn't be showing that. And I probably shouldn't have showed my console either. Hold on. Does some bullshit pop up when I open the console? No, okay. Whoa. Alright. Now how do we fix the...
and that makes it so that your label is always on top of any part. So you can see two parts, but we're gonna go over how to fix that later. Alright, then next we are going to do, here we have our stud offset, and this is going to offset our label. So I'm gonna do 2, and this will put it above whatever part we decide to put it on. And since we're putting this inside of our player's head, it's going to be above the player's head, and that's what we need it to be. So now that it is like that, we're also going to click on text label. I'm just going to change the name of this label to just label. And then you can go ahead and change your text settings. I'm going to set it to text scale. I'm going to change...
Are we adding scripts to it? Man.
So if we go ahead and... yeah. Really good.
Yo, never mind. That's he's doing that.
So what we're gonna
That's cool.
do is clear the just
Now that is cool. That's sick. I actually like that. That was a good tutorial. I didn't use it for technically what he wanted me to use it for, but it's alright. Excuse me, Mo. Excuse me. Excuse me. On the folks, on the folks, on the folks, on the folks. Now let's test it. Where did I just play it on? Lycos, dude. Let's go. It's stupid. Okay. Okay. Looks dope, looks dope, looks dope, looks dope, looks dope. Bop, bop, bop. See, why doesn't that work? Usually, like, it'll be like, oh, couldn't work because of this, but no, it's just not even doing anything. Like, you know what I should do? Take this, boom, get rid of it entirely, make a new part. Uh, uh, where is it? Here, hold on. Make that motherfucker like. There he is. Where'd he go? Make it to where it's not for show touching him, because I feel like that's gonna fuck it up. Here, let's just do print hello world. I don't know what print hello world does, but it's a good tester, I guess. Whoa, shit's lag. Oh shit, it fell over. Wait, what? I guess print hello world does nothing. Does nothing. I wonder, can I add a button? Ooh, this changes everything. This changes everything. Whoa, why can't I change the name? Oh, here we go, here we go. Take this part. Here, I'm gonna make sure I have the script. Boom. Dead. It's gone. Now we have this. Text button. Give it a local script. Oh shit. There we go. Is that how that works? Text button, local script. But I don't think any of this even works, but boom. Oh shit, I'm still in the game. Boom. Let's get it. Now, is this a button that I can click? Oh my lord. Did I do something? Why isn't the button... Why isn't the button buttonable? I did something. Because I don't think I could click the button on here either. Nah, bro. This button does not know how to be a button. Bro. Bro. Bro, what the fuck? Yeah, I don't see it, bro.
What's good, guys? So I'm going to be showing you all how you can use text buttons on Billboard GUIs. So like right here, I have Billboard GUI showing up in this part that's inside the workspace. And as you can see, like I'm hovering over these text buttons and they work. If I were to click them in game and I had functions connecting to me clicking them, it would work, okay? So we're going to be going over that real quick because I saw somebody was saying that they didn't think that that was possible, and so I'm letting you guys know it is. I actually had to do some research myself in order to implement this for a game that I'm making, and so yeah, thought I'd make a video on it. So let's just go ahead and put let's actually, let's be crazy. Let's get us a remote event. remote event, okay? And we'll, okay, let's get our script going, alright? So we need to do a local script. Now we're really crazy, okay? So now we have this text button, alright? We have this little text button. I'm gonna say it again for the 5th time. And okay, let's get our script going. Alright, so we need to do a local script, so we're gonna start a player scripts, local script. And now we're gonna this is where the magic happens, okay? First of all, actually, let's get us a remote event. Remote event, okay? And we'll do billboard text button event. I always do like really long names for my events, so it's perfectly clear what I'm doing. So local billboard text button event equals game replicated equals game dot replicated service. Wait for child billboard blah blah blah. So let's go over here, and now we're gonna do billboard text button event. And we're going to actually get our billboard. So this is something that this is how this is gonna work. Okay, we're gonna drag this part, not part, but we're gonna drag this billboard GUI. Okay, and we're going to put it in the starter GUI so that it ends up in the player GUI. Okay, so now this is gonna end up in the player GUI. And now we're going to go to the Adorny property on this.
I didn't know you could do that. I feel like that should be good enough, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like, what's the point in making it so goddamn impossible? Look, now it's clickable. Okay, now the button works. I just need to get this fucking button over here. Which is probably not gonna be as easy. Damn, bro. It's not gonna be easy. Oh, wait. Oh. Okay. How do I get this button? Is it even somewhere? It's right here. Now, why is it right there? Can I move it? Position? Question mark?
Homie Kyle says this you first time trying to make a game.
I've made other games in I've made all of my games in another engine called ClickTeam Fusion and Scratch, and this is the first time that I'm like actually messing around with Roblox and trying to make certain things work, especially the scripting. But this is there's so many like I don't know. It's like it feels like it's supposed to be easy, and then you realize that it's super hard, but then things that feel super hard are actually super easy. How What am I? Okay. So I can't move the fucking... Can't move that. Um... Why does it move it over there? I guess he's gonna tell me.
On this billboard GUI, okay, the Adorny property, and we're gonna go and give it whatever part in workspace that we want it to be. And so now it's going to be attached as if it was inside of that this um on this billboard GUI, okay, the Adorny property, and we're gonna go and give it whatever
The what? What? Okay. So what if I give that to this, and then I give that...
To homie Skibidi Toilet Lover 76 says Desmond, do you eat minus PU?
What? I'm Lyco. It also puts it over there. I'm so confused.
part in workspace that we want it to be. And so now it's going to be attached as if it was inside of that part. That's what the adorning property is for, and that's how we're going to make this work. And now you can see it's acting like a text button when I'm like going over it. Okay, so now we're going to go back to our script. We're going to say local player equals game dot players.
Well, that also makes me wonder... Can I take this? Can I take this fucking thing and just, like, move it over here? Or does it also just kind of move it over somewhere else? Is it still clickable? No, not at all. I'm so confused. Ah. Wait. Bro, what?
The homies committed toilet lover 76 says bro fall for the rage bait.
For what rage bait? Bro has a profile called Diddy. I mean, a playlist. How do I move the fucking label, bro? I didn't mean to type that into Google. blocks her for
Hi
sub.
guys, today I am gonna show you guys how to move billboard.
Come on, bro. You gotta use AI.
Wait, add part and scale hold Shift BTW. Then add billboard GUI. Select frame, text box, text label, or something I don't know.
Or stuff I don't know.
I forgot
I
to
don't
mention
know.
make part transparency 1. Then move the part, and here you go.
Hey, the text label is going.
Ah! So that's what he was the original guy was talking about. Yo, 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 look, yo. Alright. It still might not work, but I still got I still got it to a good spot, you know what I mean? What if I just like copy this? You know what I'm saying? Like what if I got rid of this shit, took this, boom, boom, and then put that shit in here? Would that do the same thing? Whoa. And then we just get rid of like the stuff. Boom. Boom. Wait. Then we take this. Whoa, what's going on with the button now? Is this literally the... Okay. I keep getting scared that I deleted the code, but I didn't. Can I change the background as well? Oh! Now let me see this shit. What did I do? Can I click that from literally anywhere at this point? That's hilarious. Hell yeah. So now that that works, I need to fix the scaling issue. Um, does that really work?
Dahomey Reds Royale says, yo, I just joined, it already looks.
Hell yeah, thank you, man. I appreciate that. Oh, I gotta set the Y to 2. Oh. What the frick? Text scaled and the text label. What is going on? Does that look like shit in the game? Dude, that looks like fucking horrendous. That is absolute shit. Yeah, this one's doing it too. I fucked something up. It it seems like the X does work. It's just the Y that doesn't.
The homie Reds Royale says that video's 2 years old, so it might.
Right. I don't know. The X coordinate is fine, but then as soon as I start going up and down, it looks jank, bro. And if your character's a bit low, it'll look like that. Yeah. Something has changed.
Larger and smaller happened a while back. So if you wanted to have an offset, you can still change the size to, like, if you want it to be back to how it used to be before.
The homie BFDIA book says, insert model car.
Insert model car.
The homie BFDIA book says, enable humanoid state C.
What I could also do is take this. Never mind.
says, weld seat to car.
This is how to fix your billboard UI. So first thing we're gonna do is go on to billboard UI and scroll down to studs offset. This will make the GUI be higher off background. So I'm gonna set the high on the
says,
now I'm going to size, so I'm going to change the offset value of the size to 0 because this is what's making it scale as you go further away. So I'm going to make the X 7 and the Y square. Now we're going to go into the text label properties, scroll down to size and change the size to 1,0 and 1,0.
Whoa, I don't know what the hell just happened. I think it was the car. I'm getting rid of this car. Car bugged everything. Hell yeah, I call that a win in my book. I finally got that button to work. Hell yeah. That'll be about it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.